Hello everyone, welcome to Data Analysis YouTube channel, the YouTube channel that is dedicated to simplifying everything around Microsoft Excel and the complexities of data analysis. For this particular tutorial, we will be going through how to transpose data and how to infuse or how to install the analysis Toolpak into your Microsoft Excel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that you can get contents as they are uploaded to the YouTube channel. And like the content as well as share with your friends and your colleagues and hit the notification bell so that as soon as another video is uploaded, you will be notified. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome, and give us a thumbs up as well as drop a comment in the comment section of the content you would like to see. So we will be transposing the data that we have in front of us. Sometimes when we receive data or when data is downloaded from another application into a spreadsheet, the data may look something like this, and you may want the data to be represented in another format or in another way so that you can use it for the type of analysis that you want to do. So in this particular case, I have the year in row 1. This is data for inflation. This is data for unemployment. But I would prefer this to be column headers instead of them being represented on the row. So what I do basically is that you highlight, you select, first of all, the entire rows that you want to transpose, and I've just selected I've just done the Control C, okay, on my keyboard. You can also use the copy function that is on the clipboard section of the Home tab, and I just clicked on copy, and then you come to any cell, okay, on the spreadsheet where you want the data to be represented. So I have actually selected cell A5, and I am going to right click, okay, my mouse, and you have under the paste options, you have paste, you have paste only values, you have paste with formulas, and the next option is transpose. So this is what I want to do. I want to transpose this information to change the way it is represented. So I click on transpose, and this is what I have. This is what I was looking for, actually. So this is what I have, and this is how to transpose information that you have on a spreadsheet, on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So another way you can do this, let me just do Control Z, or I go here and undo it. Another way you can do this, after highlighting the cell where you want the information to be represented from, you go to the paste option in the clipboard section of the Home tab, and you click on the drop down, and you see the transpose option right here, and you click it, and this is what you get. So this is how to transpose. The next thing we are going to look at right now is how do you get the analysis Toolpak? So the analysis Toolpak is a combination of complex data analysis functions that you can use to do complex analysis like ANOVA, correlation, covariance, to get descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, moving averages, regression. So basically complex analytical methods that is used for forecasting, that you can use for econometric analysis. So these are the kind of functions that are contained in the analysis Toolpak. And the analysis Toolpak is supposed to show up here, but we can see right now it's empty. But of course, it's somewhere, it is not activated. So this is why we cannot find it. So this is, we are going straight up into how to activate the analysis Toolpak so that you will be able to see the functions that will enable us to carry out this complex data analysis that I have just mentioned. So the first thing you need to do is you select File, and you go down to Options here. And so in the Excel options, right? So you go and look out for add-ins. Okay, so add-ins are extra functionalities of Microsoft Excel that Microsoft Excel can do or can allow, but it is not activated, okay, for one reason or the other. So you have the option of coming here to activate based on your need. And then I am going to choose Analysis Toolpak, and you scroll down to OK. So let us see. Let us do that again. I think there was a step I missed. So you click on Add-ins, you select Analysis Toolpak, and you select here Excel add-ins. Of course, it's an Excel add-in because here you see the type is Excel add-in, and you click on Go. So here, this is another dialog box that has just popped out, right? So I think I missed that step of selecting that add-in. And the add-ins that are available is the Analysis Toolpak, and this is what we want. So I have selected the Analysis Toolpak, and I am going to select OK. And let us see what happens. Perfect. So the Analysis Toolpak has been integrated into my Microsoft Excel, and now I can do the complex data analysis types that I mentioned earlier. So by clicking on the data analysis, these are the options that I have. You can do ANOVA, okay, single factor, two factor with replication and without. You can also do correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, moving averages. You can do exponential smoothing. You can do rank and percentile. You can do regression, sampling, and whichever option you want, you can just make the selection to the data, and then you click OK. So this is the end of this particular tutorial. We went through how to transpose data and how to integrate the Analysis Toolpak into your Microsoft Excel, just in case it was not activated in the first place. Kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. And let us know what you think in the comment section. You can also make a request for a particular tutorial you may desire to see about Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for coming by. Hit the notification bell so that as we upload new videos, you will be notified about the new videos. Drop comments in the comment section, share with your friends, share with your colleagues, and see you next time.